Hi guys. So today is a day about comfort. I'm not really the guy that needs a lot of comfort, but I thought this can have some improvement. I took it off because I'm trying to improve the hydraulic system, but that's another story. So yeah, this is just shit. It has been welded here, and it has been welded here. It's hard to see. A lot of things are stuck, and you could buy a new seat for I don't know, roughly $100, but I'm pretty sure it's not gonna fit because this looks like some type of do-it-yourself stuff, and I don't really want to spend $100. This already does work. It's just a little bit annoying that this is always falling off, and so I'm gonna try to fix this up. Let's take it first off. That should be easy. Done. And that's a lot of sand. Surprisingly heavy. I would say 30 kilos. And even here it's welded. I don't know what they did with this chair. It's welded here, there, 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 and there. I don't know, like they used this in the Civil War or something. I don't know what happened here. Also here. That's impressive. So I'm just gonna glue a bunch of stuff against it. And then I'm thinking of an old leather jacket. Or some other jacket. It has to be black. Black looks good, I think. Right? So. Good enough. Scissor. If I put the things properly back, I would always have it. I was thinking of like an old yoga mat, and then just glue that against it, because you don't really need the foam. This has suspension, and I never had the feeling that I wanted more cushion, and the old one is just zero cushion. So if you start with shit, you can only get better. some very hot glue. Good enough. Now I need something heavy. Doesn't. So if you were looking for some awesome detailing, then wrong video. Now I also only need this one. Just don't have any more foam, I think. Let me search. So it's the next day. Sticks good. So happy about that, because not all stuff glues nicely to metal. So let's glue the next step. I use a lot because I don't know, seats always get destroyed in many years. Not bad, not bad. Put the line in the middle so I can see. And that's it. Okay. Not bad. I only have to get this off and there. If I had a leather jacket, the black one, it would be a tiny bit prettier, but you need an XXL. That's triple XXXL. Europe size. Not Chinese triple XL. Because you can only use the back of the jacket. So the back has to be wider than the seats. That's quite important. And this was the only triple XL because I'm wearing XL. Actually, nobody is using triple XL here, so yeah, that's important. I consider the seat done. So what did it cost me? An old jacket, an old couch, and some old tubes of glue that were drying up. I think it's a success. Now I'm gonna touch you with my sticky fingers. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.